Blue dot. Cultivating love for learning.
In this chapter, forward command, home command, backward command, clear screen command, right command, clean command, left command. In the previous chapter, you learnt about the use of turtle in Logo. In this chapter, you will learn about various commands in Logo. The turtle moves according to the given commands. These commands are typed in the input box. After typing a command in the input box, you should press the enter key to execute the command. Forward command. The meaning of forward is to move forward. The short form for forward command is FD. We move the turtle with the help of the following steps. Step 1. Type forward or FD. Step 2. Press the spacebar key. Step 3. Type the number of steps. Step 4. Press the enter key. For example, if you give the command FD 100, the turtle moves in forward direction by 100 steps and draws a straight line. Note, always give a single space between a primitive and the number of steps that the turtle should move. Backward command. The meaning of backward is to move the turtle backward. The short form for backward command is BK. We move the turtle backward with the help of the following steps. Step 1. Type backward or BK. Step 2. Press the spacebar key. Step 3. Type the number of steps. Step 4. Press the enter key. For example, if you write BK 90, the turtle moves in the backward direction by 90 steps and draws a straight line. Right command. The right primitive turns the turtle towards its right or in clockwise direction. The short form for right command is RT. We can turn the turtle towards right on the basis of the number of degrees. Steps for using right command are: Step 1. Type right or RT. Step 2. Press the spacebar key. Step 3. Type the number of degrees by which the turtle should turn. Step 4. Press enter key. For example, if you write RT90, the turtle moves 90 degrees towards right. Left command. The left command is used in the same manner as the right command, but it makes the turtle turn towards left or in anticlockwise direction. The short form for left command is LT. You can move the turtle towards left side on the basis of the number of degrees. Steps for using left command are: Step 1. Type left or LT. Step 2. Press the spacebar key. Step 3. Type the number of degrees by which the turtle should turn. Step 4. Press the enter key. For example, if you write LT90, the turtle moves 90 degrees towards left. Home command. Home primitive brings the turtle back to the starting position, that is, the center of the screen. Clear screen command. Clear screen primitive raises the drawing on the screen and brings the turtle to the home position. The short form for clear screen command is CAS. Clean command. Clean command erases the drawing on the screen but the turtle does not return to the home position. Summary. The forward or FD command makes the turtle move ahead in the forward direction. The back or BK command makes the turtle move in the backward direction. You can draw a line in Logo by using forward or backward commands. Right or RT command makes the turtle turn in the clockwise direction. The left or LT command makes the turtle turn in the anticlockwise direction. The home command brings the turtle back to the home position. The clear screen or clean command is used to erase the drawing from the screen.
Like, share, subscribe.